Alright, for this video that I'm showing you from 9.2 is about multiplying polynomials. This is a very straightforward skill, but you're going to be using it in combination with other skills, and later on we're going to be working backwards with this skill called factoring. So this skill is really important in understanding some other very important skills. So what the first skill is multiplying a monomial and a polynomial. So this is a monomial right here. And this is our polynomial right here. To do this, we're going to be using the distributive property. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2x cubed and multiply by x cubed. Then I'm going to take 2x cubed multiplied by 3x squared. Then I'm going to take 2x cubed multiplied by negative 2x. Notice I use parentheses here, and I use parentheses because of that negative sign. And then 2x cubed times 5. Alright, so 2x cubed times x cubed is 2x to the 6th power. X cubed is x times x times x. And another x cubed is x times x times x. Notice how it's not x to the 9th. 2 times 3 is 6. X to the 3rd times x to the 2nd is x to the 5th. Here I'm going to write a negative because negative 2x times 2x cubed is negative 4. And then I have x to the 4th power and then plus 10x to the 3rd. And that's an example of a monomial times a polynomial. Here's another example. I'm not going to write it out this time. Rather, I'm just going to kind of do it how you'll eventually be doing this. So I have negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. I have negative 3x squared times negative 2x. That's positive 6. And then I have x to the 3rd. And then negative 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 and x squared. So that's a monomial times a polynomial. Alright, here we're going to be using, what I call the box or a table. And it's multiplying a binomial times a binomial. So two binomials here. So what you're going to do is you're going to do 3x plus 2, x minus 4. If it's a positive 2, you can choose to put the plus sign there or not. Generally, it's not written there. 3x times x is 3x squared. 2 times x is 2x. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. And 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So what you're going to do then is write it out. Make sure that you have your signs correct. Then combine like terms. Here's a like term. So 3x squared minus 10x minus 8. And that will be your answer. Alright, here's another example. 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 6. 6x squared, 15x, negative 12x, and negative 30. And if you wanted to combine the like terms, you have the 15 and the negative 12x. That's going to be 3x minus 30, and that will be your solution. Alright, I'm not going to do any of these. These are all the same type of problems. I'm going to do this is a trinomial and a binomial. And what you're going to do when you have something like this is just make an extended box. So you have 4x minus 3, 2x squared, 5x minus 1. Same concepts are going to apply here. You're just going to multiply each of the boxes to get your answer. It just takes a little bit more time. And then you're going to see the like terms here and the like terms here. So 8x cubed, negative 6 and positive 20 is 14. Negative 4, negative 15 is negative 19. And then plus 3. So that's an example of a binomial and a trinomial. You just use a larger box. One other option is using this idea called FOIL, first or front, outside, inside, and then last. So what you do is you multiply the front numbers, 3a times a, that's the front, that's 3a squared. Then multiply the outside numbers, that's those two, 3a times negative 2, that's negative 6a. inside, the inside numbers in parentheses right there, 4 and a is 4a. And then last is the 4 and the negative 2. That's the negative 8 right there. And then you combine like terms, 3a squared minus 2a minus 8. So that's another method that some students like rather than using the box. So I'll do FOIL here quickly to show you guys an example. Front is, or first, 15t squared. Outside is those two, negative 40t. Inside is 27. That's an I. 27t. And last are those two. Negative 72. And then combine like terms. Let's see. The 27t was a positive. So that'd be minus 13t and minus 72. So FOIL or the box, your call. FOIL will not work on a binomial times trinomial. There's too many terms here. Okay, I need to look at this assignment quick and see if I think I gotta change it. So don't write this down yet. Okay, I shorten it up and then use any method you like. So the book may say you have to use a certain method. I don't care which method that you use, provided you're doing it correctly. So do what you prefer. All right, thanks guys for tuning in to 9.2.